Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find elevation on Google Earth app. So in order to do this, simply open up the Google Earth application. Now when you open the application, you will see this interface where you will see the Google Earth app's globe. Now you'll have to simply zoom in to the point for which you want to see the elevation. For example, I will choose this point. So I will zoom in, and as you can see, this is hill area. So in order to find elevation for any point, I will have to simply tap on the point and hold it down. Now this will instantly drop a pin to that point. Now when you drop a pin, it will instantly show the location and elevation of that point. As you can see, it is 3486 meters above the sea level. You can also click on the drop down icon and choose centimeters, meters, kilometers or other measuring unit for the elevation. For example, if I choose kilometers, it will show 3.49 kilometers. Now, just like that, you can navigate to any point, zoom into the place, drop your pin, and the elevation will be showed just right here. Now, if the elevation is in minus, that means that place is below the sea level. So minus indicates that the place is below sea level. So that is how you check elevation in Google Earth app, that is by dropping a pin and elevation will instantly show up just below the location. So that's how you check elevation in Google Earth app. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.